Hello friends, my name is Chetan and welcome to our channel. So today our topic is of new government job notification. The Indian Oil Corporation Limited announces the vacancies for the pipelines division. IOCL is the government of India undertaking a mini Ratna PSU. So today we are talk about the recruitment of the IOCL. So the date of notification is 22/12/2020 and last date and end time of the receipt of online is 15/01/2020 till it is 1800 hours. Application though, so for the OBC candidates the application fee of 100 rupees. Recruitment this IOCL recruitment is for filling the non-executive vacancies in pipeline division. So we are going to talk about the vacancies announced from IOCL. First is region ERPL, state West Bengal. Name of post engineering assistant mechanical. So this vacancy is for mechanical branch and the number of vacancies one for the West Bengal region. For the one vacancy is for EWS as you seen. Second is also for West Bengal engineering assistant operation and the number of vacancies are two. For unreserved categories one vacancy, as ESC category one vacancy. Third, West Bengal technical assistant for number of vacancies are three and for unreserved two. Next is Uttar Pradesh. In the Uttar Pradesh engineering assistant electrical, number of vacancies 1, SC 1. And next is Uttar Pradesh technical attendant, number of vacancies are 3, in unreserved category 1. In this type you can see these vacancies. Then we talk about the age limit. How is the age limit for this exam? Candidate should not be less than 18 years of age and not more be the 26 years of age as on the 22/12/2020. For age relaxation we can age relaxation is given in next slide. We will talk about essential education qualification for that. So first of all, first post engineering assistant mechanical grade 4. This type of post require the 3-year full diploma or 2 years through lateral entry after ITI, minimum 1 year duration. So any of the student should apply this post from who completed their diploma, full-time diploma in any other government recognized institute. First is mechanical engineering and second is automobile engineering. Minimum percentage of marks applicable are 55% marks and passing marks for SC/ST candidates for the post reserve them. Second is engineering assistant. So second is engineering assistant. This type of post is also require 3 years of diploma and ITI, and this post is for only two branches. First is electrical engineering and second is electrical and electronics engineering, and minimum percentage of marks is as above. Engineering assistant T&I grade 4th. This is also requires the diploma or ITI, but in this post the 5 to 6 branches are applicable: electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and radio communication engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, instrumentation and process control engineering, electronics engineering. Minimum percentage of marks as per above. Engineering assistant, fourth is engineering assistant operations grade 4th. This type of post also require the 3 years of full-time diploma or ITI from the government recognized institute, and the branches are eligible are chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and radio communication engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, instrumentation and process control engineering, electronics engineering. Minimum percentage of mark as per above. Technical attendant 1, grade 1. This type of post is applicable for the candidates who pass their 10th and ITI pass from the government institute in a ITI trades of specific discipline. The candidates should have possesses their trade certification on national trade certificates provided by the institute. So in ITI trade, the number of vacancies are total. We can count total vacancies are total vacancies are 30 to 35 vacancies are there. So that we talk about applications. So what is the application fee for candidates belonging to the general and OBC categories are required to remit the ₹100 as per the application fee. For SC, ST and PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of application. There is no application fee for SC, ST and PWD candidates. This fee is not paid through online, made through SBI. You can pay this fee through SBI Collect. Then we talk about selection methodology. What is the selection methodology? First of all, the selection process consists of first written test or physical test. Second is skill test, shall be the qualifying in nature only. Final merit list will be prepared on the basis of marks secured in the written test. Wait friends. Final merit list shall be prepared on the basis of marks secured in the written test only, and those candidates who are considered FIT in SPPT. Candidates have to secure the minimum of 40% marks in written test and qualify for next round. For SC, ST, PWD candidates, minimum qualifying marks shall be 30% after providing the 10% relaxation against reserve post only. Then next is verification of documents. In this way you can apply for this post of IOCL. You can easily apply through this link. Simply first of all click on this link. Then register on the link. You can apply, and then payment will be done. So if you are first on my channel, please subscribe guys and share with your friends, and please support guys. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.